time I come to the workshop, we can see that they have many different machines and different types of blast machine. This one is a big size roller conveyor blast machine that with many units, blast turbines that with a different angle and different position. And this is useful to blast the steel structure. And this one is to blast the steel plate. And that with the brush system and that with the I remember 12 units blast turbines. Another common size blast machine that is blast the HB may be suitable for your workshop. And we can see the abrasive cleaning up system up and down according to the height of the workpieces. And here is the tunnel type short blast machine. And this one also is another tunnel type. Also we can call the over real height short blast machine. And you can see we finished this machine and tomorrow we will do the painting work. So this part is the roller conveyor blast machine and the tunnel type blast machine production part, production area. So if you like this machine, you can call me and we can video call to use this machine. Bye.